Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily fix when there's like no Wi-Fi networks found, but like Wi-Fi is turned on. So what you want to do is like pretty straightforward, and you want to write control panel in search, and when you have the control panel here, let me show you. You want to networking internet, then view network status and tasks. Right here you're gonna have like connection here, and you're gonna see right here the connection. You can click on it, and then see that if it's like working or no, and you can like click the diagnose. So that's what you can do. And also there is a one thing that you can do is and yeah, so you can like diagnose it and see if it's like working or no. And yep,